Hi there, and welcome to JavaScript and jQuery. Before we get started, I just want to point out a couple of things that will help you to be the most successful in this course. The first thing is the expectations. To get the most out of this course, you're going to need to know how to build web pages using HTML and CSS. Beyond that, no prior experience with programming is necessary. I do expect that you have a working knowledge of HTML and CSS and that you're comfortable with hand-coding web pages. Learning to program with JavaScript involves understanding some basic programming concepts and terms that JavaScript programmers use to describe what it is that they're doing. You also need to learn the language itself. This includes the vocabulary and how to structure your JavaScript sentences. In addition, you'll become familiar with how it's applied by looking at examples of how JavaScript is commonly used in websites today. As far as equipment and software that you're going to need, you'll need a computer with internet access. I highly recommend that you have a broadband connection. You're going to need a modern web browser. I recommend installing all of the big players. This includes Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and IE. And you're going to need your preferred code editor. You can actually code JavaScript and jQuery right within Notepad or TextEdit. You don't need anything special. However, I do suggest that you get a code editor because it will really help you to be able to code your web pages, since that it will give you code hinting. It'll use different colors to break up the different elements on the page, and it will also help you with auto completion. So as you type something, you will actually see some of the words appear, and then you can quickly get the script or the code onto the page. A couple of code editors that I like that are free are Brackets, which is made by Adobe, Aptana Studio, and Bluefish. If you're already familiar with a different code editor, then go ahead and use that. You don't have to use the same specific software that I'll be using in this course. Alright, without further ado, let's get started with learning about JavaScript and jQuery.